Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clean mobile numbers list using lin and write functions in Excel. Let's get started. Here's a set of mobile numbers, and it's evident that not all follow the 10-digit format, which is what we're aiming for. First things first, we'll find the length of each number. We'll use the lin function to quickly identify the digits in each number. This will help us spot the ones that don't measure up to 10 digits. Select the cell, press the equal sign, type in the lin function. Select the cell C2, close the bracket, and hit enter. Copy the function by dragging the bottom right corner of the cell. We'll sort the data from smallest to largest and remove the ones that don't fit the 10-digit criteria. Go to the Data tab, select Sort, Mobile Numbers, and choose smallest to largest, then hit OK. Once done, we'll quickly remove the numbers that are less than 10 digits. A quick selection, right-click, and delete, and they're gone. Now, some numbers have more than 10 digits, specifically 12 digits. For the 12-digit numbers, like the ones starting with 91, the extra digits aren't incorrect. We just need the last 10 digits. To clean this up, we'll use the write function to extract only the last 10 digits from each number. This formula will isolate the essential digits and remove any extras. After applying this formula, all our numbers should be cleaned up neatly. To do this, select the cell, enter the equal sign, type in the write function, select cell A2, then input 10 as the number of characters. Close the bracket and hit enter. Let's drag the formula down. Hold on, we're not quite done yet. Sometimes the formatting in Excel can cause numbers to appear left aligned instead of the standard right aligned. That's a formatting issue. We'll fix this by using Paste Special to adjust the format, ensuring our numbers are correctly displayed. To do this, in any cell, type 1. Copy the cell, select cells C2 to C17, right-click, and go to Paste Special. From here, choose Multiply. Once done, hit OK. Now the numbers are clean and aligned. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this.